first in 1901, second in 1919, and then most extensively in 1958, where the site was virtually cleared of all of the stones. Then the site was excavated, and then the heavy lifting equipment came back in and put the stones into remade holes on which they were backfilled with ready-mixed concrete. Sadly, Stonehenge is today nothing more than a modern representation of an ancient monument, because it was dismantled and rebuilt. Yet the guidebooks, the history books, and the official documents all say Stonehenge was built 4,000 years ago or thereabouts. There's no reference that it was built in 1958 using ready-mixed concrete and steel and wooden blocks. How the British government got away with destroying an ancient monument, rebuilding it, I've absolutely no idea. And the real reason that the excavation work was carried out, and the real reason, and that the tunnelling underneath the site. But what is more important than any of that is the alignments. We can now never know for sure where those stones were aligned to. There is no way of ever getting that information back. The approximation that we now have, that is being passed as some form of ancient, untouched, apart from conservation work site, is nothing of the sort. It is a rebuild, it's a copy, it's a replica of what was there. It goes to dismantling an ancient historic site, it goes to excavating an ancient historic site, and then it goes to rebuilding a site which is now no longer historic because it was taken down and it was rebuilt in the 1950s. So, as far as I'm concerned, that site is now